Yeah, I think the last video, or one of the last videos I did, was showing how to recharge your AC system for cheap. Wouldn't you know it, the Civic is still doing well. We're going to do a follow-up on that, but now the Nissan Leaf, the AC in here doesn't work, and I hardly ever use it because it just drains the battery so quickly. But if I'm not going anywhere really and it's hot out, I'm taking the Leaf. And yeah, so we need to have AC in that G thing. Got a little infrared monitor. Not that hot today. Let's see what the street's talking about. Streets 115. And what do we got coming up events here? 99. We're gonna go ahead and try to use this other brand. So we got the AC on full with the super mode on there, and I'm pretty sure this is the high and then this is the low. And now when you buy the AC recharge kit, hopefully just getting one nozzle or whatever, one connector, is all you need. And we're going to find out right now. This is a PB blaster, and the original one that we had was this Arctic stuff. Let's see if this screws on or not. And just really quick, let's check out our pressure here. We got no pressure. Yeah, you should be able to just buy the this thing once and just don't throw it away. Just keep it. Alright, so we got it all attached. Still no pressure. Let's see if pressing the nozzle will change that. We might just have a leak in here. Oh yeah, we definitely got a leak. But for the record, right now it works. Alright, so I couldn't really see back there, but it's gonna be hard to catch on here with this high exposure. But if you look right in the middle, right there, that little black circle, that is a 10mm bolt, and that's the same exact kind of hookup as we have down here. You see, it's just kind of sandwiches together, and then there's a 10mm bolt in the middle. So replacing the line looks like it will be pretty easy after all, and it seems like it could be potentially caused because of the way that this whole thing is set up. This looks like on face value, it looks like a good design, but any type of tension on this smaller line right here, I don't know how it could get it, but you know, maybe from engine swaying or something, but that would cause this to pull up and eventually fail that. So what I did was I looked up online, and sure enough, some people were talking about there being a recall, and I'll put a little screenshot in here. My car has gotten tons of letters for recalls, and I just never really follow up on them because as far as I'm concerned, my car is fine. I haven't even looked at them. There might be some dangerous recalls in there, I don't know. But what I do know is that if there is a recall on this, I'm not going to pay a cent. So just for like clarification, this is how it's mounted up down there, right? If the motor is to sway or put pressure on this high pressure line in any way, it's going to lift up. It's going to lift up, and the way it's going to lift up, it's going to pull on this bottom piece right here that's sandwiched down, and it's going to allow that hairline fracture. And you can actually, maybe if you look close enough, you can see it opening up as I'm trying to describe it. So definitely a design flaw that I think should be covered by Nissan, and that's something I'm going to have to look into tomorrow. But yeah, we're going to go check out the hybrid and do a little update on the AC on that, get a temperature gauge, see how much we lost, and yeah. Alright, so we're in the hybrid. Got the AC cranked up. It's only been on for maybe like 2 minutes, but let's just see where we're at. Just going down. So after a month, after a whole month, this AC system still blows at under freezing temperatures. So I'm gonna actually just dump the rest of this bottle if there's anything left in there, and then we'll see also where we're at pressure-wise. It's worth it to keep the top part of these kits so you can just reuse them. That's gonna do it for this video, you guys. We're gonna have to look into the recalls for the Queep, and if I want AC, I guess I'm gonna have to rock with the Honda. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Here.